I didn't inherit money. I never earned six figures. But somehow, I still built a $1 million net worth from almost nothing. And what I'm about to share today, most people completely ignore. And that's exactly why they stay broke. This wasn't luck. It wasn't privilege. And it definitely wasn't some viral shortcut. It was strategy. I started with a small salary, barely enough to cover rent, bills, and basic survival every single month. No prestigious job title, no rich connections, just constant pressure, building every day, and one decision. A decision that changed everything and forced me to rethink everything I believed about money. I realized something shocking. Most people don't fail because they earn less. They fail because they manage money badly. They make emotional decisions. They waste income and repeat the same financial mistakes again and again. And that's when I discovered the first secret that completely changed everything for me. Stop trying to look rich and stop trying to be rich, because those are two completely different paths. That one mindset shift alone saved me thousands and became the foundation of everything I built after that. While everyone around me upgraded their lifestyle, I made a decision that felt completely uncomfortable. I chose to stay broke on purpose, even when I could afford more. And honestly, people didn't understand it. No expensive car, no designer clothes, just discipline that looked boring but built real power. And instead of spending extra income, I started investing small amounts, even when it felt pointless. At first, nothing exciting happened. No big wins, just slow progress, testing my patience every day. And this is exactly where most people quit, because the results are invisible.
And consistency feels like working for nothing.
But I kept going, even when it felt pointless, because I understood something most people completely overlook about wealth. Wealth doesn't grow in excitement. It grows in silence, repetition, and habits that feel boring but powerful over time. And then, something unexpected happened. Not overnight, not dramatic, but enough to make me stop and notice everything. My investments started growing faster than my salary, and that was the moment everything finally clicked clearly. I realized I wasn't trading time for money anymore. My money was starting to work for me quietly. And that realization changed everything, because now I saw a path that didn't depend on working forever. But right when things started working, I almost made a mistake that could have destroyed everything. I got impatient. I wanted faster results, and that pushed me toward decisions that looked smart, but really weren't. I started chasing trends, listening to hype, and ignoring the simple strategy that was already working. And for a moment, I actually lost money. Not everything, but enough to shake my confidence deeply. That moment hurt more than starting from zero, because now I understood exactly what I could lose. But instead of quitting, I stepped back, analyzed everything, and corrected my mistakes with clarity. That's when I realized building wealth is not just about doing things right, it's about avoiding the wrong moves. Because small mistakes repeated over time can quietly destroy years of progress without you even noticing. So I simplified everything and locked into a system that removed emotion and made wealth building automatic. And once I followed that system consistently, everything started becoming easier and more predictable. I followed 3 simple rules, and these rules changed everything for me completely. First, I paid myself first. I invested before spending anything, no matter how small the amount was. Second, I avoided lifestyle inflation. I didn't increase spending just because my income started growing slowly before my job. Third, I stayed consistent. Even during doubt, fear, and moments when progress felt completely invisible again. And this is where most people fail, not because they lack knowledge, but because they lack consistency. Because consistency is boring, and people chase excitement instead of results that take time to show. But I stayed patient, I trusted the process, and I kept showing up every single time. And then something incredible started happening. My results began accelerating faster than I expected. My money started compounding, building on itself, creating growth that felt almost unreal compared to my salary. And that's when I understood the real game. Wealth is not built by effort alone, it's built by time. Time multiplies consistency, and consistency turns small actions into massive long-term results. Years passed, not overnight success, but steady growth pushing my net worth higher and higher. And one day, I checked my numbers, and everything changed in that moment. There it was, $1 million net worth, built step by step, without a high income. No shortcuts, no luck, just discipline, patience, and consistent decisions repeated over time. And the most surprising part? It didn't feel loud or dramatic. It felt calm and controlled.
Because I knew exactly how I got there, and I knew I could repeat it again if needed. That's the real secret nobody talks about. Wealth feels quiet, stable, and predictable when done right. Not flashy, not chaotic, and definitely not based on luck or hype that fades quickly. And the best part is, this path is repeatable. It doesn't require genius, just discipline and clarity. So if you're watching this right now, you don't need more income first. You need a better system. Because the difference between staying broke and building wealth comes down to repeated daily decisions. Not one big move, not one lucky break, just small actions done consistently over time. So let me simplify it for you. Here's exactly how you can start today without overthinking everything. First, track your money, every dollar, because awareness alone changes behavior faster than anything else. Second, cut what doesn't matter. Not everything, just the things quietly draining your future over time. Third, automate your investments, even small amounts, so consistency becomes effortless and reliable.
Fourth, be patient longer than feels comfortable, because that's exactly where real, lasting financial growth truly happens. If you follow these steps consistently, you won't just grow your money, you will completely transform your identity over time. Because wealth is not about numbers first. It's about becoming the kind of disciplined person who consistently builds it. And once that identity shifts, everything becomes easier. Your decisions improve, your habits strengthen, and your results begin compounding faster. So don't wait, don't delay, and don't keep waiting for perfect conditions that honestly never come in real life. Start now, start small, and let time quietly do the heavy lifting for you while you stay consistent. Because years from now, you'll either regret not starting today or truly thank yourself for taking action early. If this opened your eyes, subscribe to Guru Invests for clear, practical strategies that actually work in real life. And comment START if you're ready to take full control of your financial future starting from today. Because this moment right here could be the single decision that changes everything about your future completely. Just like it changed everything for me.